Hi, my name is Callie, and this is Beach. In today's video, I will be discussing my travel date with a Thai girl and what it takes to get from Jomtien to Chiang Mai. So let's get started. Beach and I started early in the morning by booking a ticket on the Roong Reuang coach at the bus station near Tepaset Road, marked on this map as bus stop number 5. These buses run daily from Jomtien to Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok. It's comfortable, air-conditioned, and it takes around 2 hours depending on traffic. Once we arrived at Suvarnabhumi, we hopped on the free airport shuttle that connects Suvarnabhumi to the older airport in Bangkok. On the shuttle, Beach is intensely reading the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. Let's find out if it works for her. Don Mueang International Airport. This is where most of the domestic flights depart from, and we were using it to get to Chiang Mai. At Don Mueang, Beach was trying to use all her powers of persuasion she learned from the book to get my attention, but I told her she'd have to wait a minute, and her response was, "All right." Soon we caught the short flight to Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is less than an hour away in the air, but world away in atmosphere. Once we landed, we got on a Tuk Tuk ride to our hotel, and Beach had the opportunity to get her talking quota in for the day.
พี่มีน้ำบัตรมีเบอร์ป่ะนะคะ
If you're curious, we stayed at the M Hotel, which was right in the heart of the old city. After we unpacked, I asked her what would she like to do. She wasn't sure, but when I said, "You want to go get something to eat?" then she sprang to life again. Very soon, I would start to see a pattern that food had on her. The next morning, we rented a scooter for the day and began our ride up to Doi Pui Village. It's about a 40-minute to 1 hour ride, winding through steep and sometimes bumpy mountain roads. Okay, hold the camera.
Oh my. Yeah, we go to Doi Pui, Doi Pui. Oh, funny.
Along the way, we passed small waterfalls, forest viewpoints, and sweeping views of Chiang Mai below. Which way we go? Straight?
Yeah.
Ooh, that monk must be cold.
Legs all showing.
Nice though. I miss hotel. I miss the hotel. Yeah.
What I learned about Beach that day is that she's very competitive, and we were in a silent scooter race to beat the monk to Doi Pui.
Yeah, follow Mueang.
All the monks.
See, Mueang's not cold. You see,
Yeah, he's wrapped in a freaking
His
bed
legs.
sheet.
see,
Oh, his legs are cold. You gotta be kidding me. His legs are very cold.
minivan with me, please. How to have house like this?
Yeah, I don't know.
When we finally reached Doi Pui and lost the race, we were cold. Beach was shivering, so I decided to buy her a hat at the local store, but she wasn't too happy with it. I mean, just look at her face. She looks like this angry bird. Don't they look identical? After a minute, I said, come on, give me a smile. So she gave me this fake smile. And then look at the lady in the background behind her. Look at her face. Because the next thing I said to Beach was, hey, let's get some food. And then look at the lady's face in the background. Even she understood the word food. She was like, food? So what I learned quickly was, food makes Thai women happy. We looked around the village for some traditional Hmong food, spicy pork, mountain vegetables, and hot tea to warm up. But look at how many things she ate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 5th thing, that was for her to take to go. All I had was the tea just to warm me up. So FYI, just be aware that Thai girls can really eat. From there we visited the water garden, a peaceful spot surrounded by mist and cool mountain air. I'm not sure what this crossbow symbolizes, but it was unique and we took some pictures of it.
It's so cold here. When we were first driving, you breathe and you see the mist from your breath. We're on top of this mountain, and it's starting to actually warm up a little bit because it's, believe it or not, the sun's starting to come up, but we're actually in the clouds, and oh, it is cold compared to living next to the beach where it's nice and warm most of the time. It is chilly up here. I can see it actually snowing up here, just a little bit colder. The kids all dressed up.
We also got to see some traditional Hmong dressed people. They looked very elegant and very beautiful.
Oh, those kids are fighting. So we're riding that moped up this hill, and it's kind of funny because you know, that little thing actually goes pretty darn good. And that's actually a village we drove through to come up here, and we're just kind of just driving, just going for it. A little more, I guess. It's like a gift shop or something up there. We passed a temple on the way up here. We'll probably go back and check out. And some waterfalls. This is like a, I don't know, a garden area. Imagine if these clouds ever burned off, you'd probably see for a long ways.
All in all, it was cold and cloudy that day, but somehow that made the whole experience even more magical. The ride, the view, and sharing it all with a special person who likes to eat a lot. It's what traveling in Thailand is really all about: food, friends, and meeting new people. Don't be shy. Thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, peace be with you.